Bon appetit, paper engineers in training, and Dagwood fans. Now I'm using regular white bread, nothing fancy. I've got some of this beaver deli mustard that I mixed horseradish in. And now I put on some of these Mazzaretta pickled pepperoncinis. And so now I think I'm going to put a little bit of this here roughage on there. This is a cabbage leaf out of my garden. And as it turned out, the cabbage leaf grew all winter. So did the collards. This is collard leaf right here that I'm putting on. And I got some kale to put on there as well. A little bit of kale right there. Okay, now I am using some of this deli hard salami. And so this is pretty much a basic sandwich, you guys. Nothing really fancy. And so anyway, it's just one of those kind of things. There's that. And now we want to put some of this here pepper jack cheese on there. And I think I'm going to throw some more of this salami on there. All right, like so. Because this is kind of a meat eater sandwich right now. And put that over there. And then I'm going to put some of this here, sriracha on there. And that ought to be hot enough for today. Yep. Okay, now I think I'm going to throw on some more of this collard leaf and cabbage leaf right on top of there like that. Just put that on there like there. A generous supply of it because it's really good for you. And then I'm going to put my buddy Mater on here because, you know, he drives a good tow truck, but he makes a really good sandwich. Uh-oh. Having troubles with YouTube, you guys. Sorry, I had to reconnect. Fantastic, Susan. I agree with you. Make it so. All right, and now I got to put his buddy onion on here. And this is really cool. These are black plums. I'm putting a black plum on here because I want a little bit of sweet involved in this, Sammy. And then Homer Simpson's favorite fruit, avocado. Okay, we got this, Coach. Nice. All right. What else should I put on there? Well, I think I'm going to put some of this on. A little bit more cheese, and then some more greens. This is going to be. Oh yeah. And there's one other thing I got to do. That is put on some cream cheese, which is important on a sandwich because I like cream cheese. No, I did not toast the bread this time. I probably should do that, though. And, oh, look at there. I got a kitty cat came on. Hi, kid. Nice to see you. I'm busy, so don't bug me. You got food over there? Yeah, there you go. And water. Nice. Yeah. Dawn, this is a really good-looking sandwich. And it's good for you. And now, when I do cream cheese, a lot of times I have seeds that I put on there. Because what that does is it gives you just a little bit more good stuff to eat. Thank you for the gummy bears very much. Ski, thanks for the ice cream cones. And now, if you're allergic to seeds, please don't put any of these sunflower seeds on your sandwich. You know. And there is that. Yes, I have eaten Thai food. It's very good as well. And now we squish the seeds on here with a spoon so they don't fall off. All right. Now we're going to put the lid on this thing just like that. All right. Okay, we're going to have to get a cross section of this. Okay, here we go. Yeah, my kitty's kind of cool. Well, Susan, the best thing you can do is just stay positive and have faith, no matter what. And I know sometimes that's very difficult. Okay, that's enough of that. Don't need that. All right, here is the cross section, you guys. Wow, this actually looks really, really good. Little avocado. Some heat from the sriracha. There's some onion. Thank you, John. Absolutely. Well, Sammy, they're really great sandwiches. Thank you, Scrippa. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay, you guys. Well, Dagwood fans, this